Hello everyone, welcome back. How are you all? Finished all your previous work now? Now you all want to get a little relaxed? Okay, so this is your relaxing time because it's our rhyme time. Yes, we are going to sing rhymes in this. But today, I'm going to teach you rhyme on a very special topic. So can you tell me which topic it can be? Don't see what I have written. Just see the pictures I have pasted here. Can you identify who they are? Can you identify what is this? Yes, it's our flag, our national flag, pride of our nation. So today we are going to learn rhymes on the topic my country. And why is that so? So can anyone tell me which important festival is coming now? Something is coming, a national festival. Remember जब मैम ने आपको रक्षाबंधन के बारे में बताया था, मैम told you that there are two types of festival. One is national and one is religious. So religious festivals are celebrated by different religion people. But this is the national festival which is coming. And whole country, the whole country celebrates it. So first tell me, what is the name of our country? Can you tell me the name of our country? We live in India. Yes, we live in India. So the name of our country is India. And what is this? National flag. It's a national flag. And can you tell me how many color bands are there? 3 color bands. Saffron for sacrifice, white for purity, and green for prosperity. So today we are going to recite rhymes related to our national flag and one rhyme on our soldiers. So who is a soldier? The soldiers are those people who protect our country. ये हमारी country को protect करते हैं from other countries, ताकि कोई हमें आके परेशान ना करे, कोई हमें किसी को मारे ना. So these are the soldiers, they protect our country. Clear all? So today we are going to recite rhyme on these two, that is 3 colors in the Indian flag. Our first rhyme is 3 colors in the Indian flag, which is on page number 13. And the second rhyme is 5 little soldiers. So how many soldiers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 little soldiers. So you all are ready to begin with these rhymes? Shall we start? Okay, class. So the first poem is 3 colors in the Indian flag. Let's begin. 3 colors in the Indian flag. So how many we have? 3. 1, 2, 3. So this is the poem about our Indian flag. 3 colors in the Indian flag. Saffron, white and green. So which are those 3 colors? Saffron, white and green. And now we have these 3 colors. So let's begin again. 3 colors in the Indian flag. Saffron, white and green. I would like to tell you what they mean. Matlab, now I am going to tell you ki what is the meaning of these 3 colors. Okay, so let's start again. 3 colors in the Indian flag. Saffron, white and green. I would like to tell you what they mean. So now, which is the first color? Come on, tell me class. Saffron is for sacrifice. Saffron is for sacrifice. So which is the saffron color? The first color is saffron color. And what is the meaning of this color? This color means sacrifice. What does this color mean? Sacrifice for people and the braves. Sacrifice for what? For people. अपने देश के लोगों के लिए sacrifice. For the braves. So saffron is for sacrifice for people and brave. Brave लोग होते हैं ना जो sacrifice करते हैं. So let's begin again. 3 colors I would like to tell you what they mean. Saffron is for sacrifice, for people strong and brave. So saffron is for sacrifice, for people strong and brave. White is for purity. Purity means क्या होता है बताइए? अपनी सच्चाई, हमारी क्या सच्चाई है, हम कितने पवित्र हैं. So the truthfulness. Clear? White is for purity, for peace that we crave. मतलब हमें कितना शांति से प्यार है. We don't want to fight with each other. So white is for purity, for peace that we crave. Crave मतलब हमें peace चाहिए. We want peace, शांति. Clear everyone? Now moving to the third color. Green is for prosperity. मैम ने आपको पहले बताया. This green color, what does that mean? It is for prosperity. So green is for prosperity, for my country. Yes, green is for prosperity, for my country to grow. For my country to grow, कि वो आगे बढ़े और बहुत तरक्की करे, है ना. When we gain knowledge, जब हमारे साथ सब अच्छा होता है तो we grow, हम prosperous होते हैं, है ना. We get prosperous. So green is for prosperity, for my country to grow, to be ahead of others. सबसे आगे निकलना है. To be ahead of others and never to be slow. और हमें कभी किसी से पीछे नहीं रहना है. So let's start this rhyme once again, and now we are going to sing it together. So 3 colors in the Indian flag. 3 colors in the Indian flag. Saffron, white and green. I would like to tell you what they mean. Saffron is for sacrifice, for people. Saffron is for sacrifice, for people strong and brave. White is for prosperity and peace. White is for purity and peace that we crave. Green is for prosperity, for my country to be head. Green is for prosperity, for my country to grow, to be ahead of others and never to be slow. For my country to grow, to be ahead of others and never to be slow. Understood all? Now moving to the next rhyme, that is 5 little soldiers. So in this rhyme I am going to tell you about 5 soldiers, and what happened, they were just standing. Suddenly came the captain. Captain कौन होता है? Soldiers के जो head होते हैं, जो उनको training देते हैं. And then what happened? So let's start with the rhyme. 5 little soldiers standing in a row. So what happened? These soldiers, they were standing in a row. 5 little soldiers standing in a row, and came the captain. 5 little soldiers standing in a row. 3 stood straight and 2 stood slow. So what happened? There were 5 soldiers. They were standing in a row. And what happened? 3 was standing straight like this. And 2, they were talking to each other. Now when you are sitting in the class and you talk, ma'am nahi hoti hai, but suddenly ma'am come, then what happened? Ma'am aa gayi, start your work. So this is what happened with the soldiers also. 5 little soldiers standing in the row. 3 stood straight and 2 stood so. Along came the captain. What do you think? All stood straight in a wink. In a wink मतलब आँख झपकते. All stood straight in a wink. So let's start again. 5 little soldiers standing in a row. 3 stood straight and 2 stood so. Along came the captain. Then what happened? Along came wink. एकदम आँख झपकते ही they all stood straight. So 5 little soldiers standing in a row. 3 stood straight and 2 stood slow. Along came the captain. What do you think? They all stood straight in a wing. आँख झपकते in a wing. Understood all? So let us revise both the rhymes once again, and your work is you have to learn these two rhymes. They are new rhymes, so you have to learn them. Shall we do them once again? Okay. First we are going to do this 5 little soldiers. 5 little soldiers standing in a row. 3 stood straight and 2 stood slow. Along came the captain. What do you think? All stood straight in a wing. In a wing. Understood everyone? Okay. Now moving to again the poem of national flag. So what we are going to start, how we are going to start is 3 colors in the Indian flag, saffron, white and green. I would like to tell you what they mean. So say with me, 3 colors in the Indian flag, saffron, white and green. I would like to tell you what they mean. Saffron is for sacrifice. Saffron is for sacrifice for people strong and brave. उन लोगों के लिए जो बहुत strong हैं, जो बहुत brave हैं. So saffron is for sacrifice for people strong and brave. White is for peace. White is for peace for which people pray. जिसके लिए हम हमेशा से भगवान से pray करते हैं. For which people pray. Then green is for prosperity. Green is for prosperity for my country to grow. Green is for prosperity for my country to go. To be ahead of others. Ahead मतलब आगे रहना. To be ahead of others and never to be slow. And never to be slow. सबसे आगे रहना है और कभी किसी से पीछे नहीं आना. Clear everyone? As I told you, a national festival is coming, that is Independence Day. So learn these rhymes and recite these rhymes. They are all full of patriotism. देश भक्ति से भरी हुई है ना? So Hindi ma'am is also teaching you Hindi rhymes related to my country, and these are 2 rhymes which I want you all to recite bravely, to recite them confidently and share their videos with me. Clear all? Recite these rhymes, learn them, then recite them again and again and share your videos with me. Bye all, take care.